everyone. We're in the great outdoors today on a camping trip with Fiona and Dandy.
Gather round, everyone. Dandy's here with some campsite rules to make sure we all stay safe.
It's important to know how to have fun and be safe.
Rule number 1, always follow campfire safety. Rule number 2, respect nature. Always pick up your litter and leave no trace. Rules.
Thanks, Dandy. Let's all be sure to follow these rules. Does anyone smell fire? No!
Fear not! Dandy's here to deal with the danger!
Great work, Dandy! You saved Mr. Weasel's camp.
You mean ruined my camp? Let's go, Sly. They're cramping my camping style. We're stuck.
Oh, no! Mr. Weasel's stuck in the bog. We have to help him. Grab onto Fiona's hose. Oh, no! It won't reach. Fiona, can you drive any closer?
Uh-oh! Fiona's wheels are spinning in the slippery mud!
Aha! We'll extend the hose and wrap it around that tree for leverage and turn Fiona's reel into a winch. What tools do we need? Hacksaw, wrench.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
First, tie this rope onto the hose, and then we'll see how far it goes. Wrap the rope around this tree, the stronger our pulling power will be.
Oh!
Fiona's hose is now a big, strong winch to pull our friends free, inch by inch.
We're free! We're muddy.
Dandy's here to deal with the dirt!
I have soggy underpants.
Rule number 3, always bring an extra pair of dry underwear.
Goodbye, everyone.
I hate mud.
Hello, everyone. We're waiting for Grandma to arrive with some of her famous apple pie. Yum! Oh, that must be Grandma.
Huh?
Oh, hi, Bobby. We weren't expecting you today. Is everything okay? Wacky wipers! Let's take a look at you to find out what's wrong. Phew, that was close. Now what seems to be the problem? Huh, that's not right. Your controls are all mixed up. Let's try restarting your engine to see if that helps solve the problem. Spinning screwdrivers. This is going to be trickier than I thought, Bobby. But we'll solve it. Yowie! Don't worry, everyone. It's just a little boo-boo. Ow! I'm so sorry, Bobby. I'll help you just as soon as I... Hello, Grandma.
Oh, my poor Gecko darling. Have you hurt yourself?
Never mind. Grandma's here to help. All done, Gecko. Now you rest up. Thanks, Grandma. But I still need to work out what's wrong with Bobby. Look! Something must have gone haywire up there. Oh, but I can't get onto his roof like this.
Then you'll have to talk me through the repair, Gecko.
Ah, yes, Grandma! You're the best!
I know. Now, what tools do we need? Screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
Don't worry,
worry, little ones. Grandma is always careful. Now, what's going on here? Looks like we need a little wiring wizardry to fix Bobby's battery. Which colour wire connects where, Gecky? Blue on the rack! Oh, Grandma can't hear me. I've got it. Blue and red! I need your help! Oh, yes! Clever lad! Blue on the right, red on the left. You did it! Thanks, Grandma. You're welcome, Gecky. Now, let's all have some apple pie to celebrate.
If a job looks too hard, don't be scared. A problem halved is a problem shared. Just as a pie halved is a pie shared too, please, Red. See you next time, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for our Christmas party. You made an invitation for Mr. Weasel and Sly to our party? What a wonderful idea, Blue.
Oh, an invitation to a Christmas party at Gecko's garage. For us, Sly. No, thank you. We'll have a much better party here. I didn't know it was Christmas.
Never mind, Mex. Christmas isn't about who has the best party. It's about being together. Let's get those brilliant decorations up, eh?
Work faster! We must have a bigger, better Christmas party than Gecko! Sly! I need your battery to power this snow machine! Hurry! More snow! No! My party is ruined! Sly, are you okay?
Sparky screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel might need some help. Are you both okay?
Something's wrong with Sly! He's lost all his power!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll find out what's wrong. Aha! I see the problem. Sly's alternator needs replacing.
His alternator?
The alternator helps to charge Sly's battery, which gives him electric power. What tool do we need? Wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Bolt the alternator to the engine, then connect this wire. All done.
My Sly! Thank you, Gecko.
Anytime, friends. Oh, wow! Your party decorations look great!
Really? You're welcome to stay if you like. We'd really like that, wouldn't we, Sly?
We'd love to. And I have an idea.
Our party! It's a Christmas miracle!
Christmas is a time to share and to show each other that you care. Wow, look at that! Oh, thank you! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Oh, there go the sprouts all over the floor. Sly.
Hello, everyone. It's Halloween! And I have a surprise for the mechanicals and baby truck. Welcome to my haunted car wash. Foamy price and fun for everyone. Well done for braving the bubbles. Have some sweets.
Looks like Gecko is handing out sweets just for going through his crummy car wash. That looks easy. Come on, Sly. We'll go through and take all the sweets.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. Hi, Sly. Your costumes are great. Would you like to try my haunted car wash?
Is this car wash meant to be scary? It takes more than a bit of foam to frighten us.
Well, it's meant to be fun. This dial controls the scariness, but I wouldn't turn it up too high.
Nonsense! Come on, Sly. A little scare for a lot of sweets. All of them.
If you wanted some sweets, you could have just asked.
What's going on? Oh no! I don't like it, Mummy!
Ghostly gaskets! I think it's a little too scary for Mr. Weasel.
Is it finished, Sly?
Don't be scared! It's just Mr. Weasel and Sly covered in slime.
And now Sly is ruined.
It's only a dent and an easy fix. Why don't you help me?
Does it mean I get sweets quicker?
A team that works together eats sweets together. What tools do we need? Suction cup. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we put the suction cup on the metal. Then we press the handle to make a strong seal around the dent. Now pull, Mr. Weasel, and the dent will pop back out.
I can't. All that pulling was so tiring.
Never mind, it's party time. How about some sweets to celebrate? Oh, you didn't need a fright to get a treat. Now let's dance with wheels and feet. Goodbye, everyone.
These are all toffee!
Hello, everyone. We're having a sleepover with Grandma and Miles, who stopped by to change Miles's worn-out wheels. But that can wait until the morning. It's bedtime now, Red. Grandma is going to read us a story.
When Princess Truck arrived at Lullaby Castle, she was very sleepy.
Your stories are the best, Grandma.
So Princess Truck dimmed her headlights and... Time to change Miles's wheels. They're all worn out. It's fixing time.
Oh, is it morning already? Snoring screwdrivers! Grandma's sleepwalking!
I'll attach Miles's new wheel with this screwdriver.
That wheel is far too big for Miles. Whoa!
Where did I put that wheel?
We need to get Grandma back to bed and find Miles some new wheels.
This fix is very cozy.
Thanks, Yellow. Aha! These wheels will fit you, Miles. What tool do we need? Drill wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we put the wheel in place. Then we use the drill wrench's electric power to tighten the nuts. So it's fixed on securely. You fixed those wheels tonight after all, Red. But now it really is bedtime. Again. Good morning, Grandma.
Morning, Gecko.
Would you like a cup of tea?
I had the strangest dream last night. I was trying to replace Miles's worn-out old wheels.
and suddenly I was rolling about on roller skates. Ah, Miles. Whoa! Such shiny new wheels. Where did those come from?
Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We've been having a picnic and now it's home time. Remember, Mex, don't leave anything behind. One, two, 3, 4 mechanicals. Blue? Blue! Where are you? We've lost Blue! Green, come with me. We have to find him. Garage doors open again. It's time to find our little friend. Use your winch to lower me down. Nuts and bolts! No more tow rope. Oh, poor Blue. You've had some bumps. We can use your rocket to get us out of here. Nothing a little tweak can't fix. We'll be out of here in just 2 ticks. Righty-tighty. Let's get you back to the garage. Well done, everyone. We found Blue. And now let's fix him up like new. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Unlike mine, your legs are round. To help you move along the ground. Let's get those arms fixed, left and right, by making sure the joints are tight. And last of all, a new respray. Now you can go back out and play. Oh, baby Blue, sleep well then. We're so happy you're home again. Goodbye, everyone. There you go, Mummy Truck. Your indicators will work fine now. Lucky I always carry spare bulbs. It's Molly playing with her favourite toy. And Baby Truck too. Make sure you share it. Oh, Baby Truck, you've got a boo-boo, but you'll be okay, I promise. Molly? Let's take a look at you now, Molly. Are you okay? Huh? Oh, no. Molly is leaking oil. I don't have the tools to fix her here. We need to get you back to the garage. Fast! I'm going to need your help, Baby Truck. Can you keep the road clear so I can get Molly to the garage quickly? Everyone, let's move at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Huh? Oh no! Eric and Dylan are blocking the road! Thanks, Eric and Dylan. Well done, baby truck. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Don't worry, Molly, we're here for you. Our fix will make you good as new. Teamwork and tools will help us mend any part of any friend. We weld and fix and check and then stick all the parts together again. This fix has made you as strong as before, so you won't leak oil anymore. Oh, we couldn't have done it without your help, baby truck. Oh, and look! Blue's fixed the toy truck. Well done, Blue. And great sharing, you two. I'm so proud of you both. Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're working on Bobby today. Ready for your brand new wheels, old friend. Shiny rims, fresh tyres, the lot.
Huh?
Oh, I just need to answer the phone. Mechanicals, can you start fitting Bobby's new wheels for me, please? Hello, Gecko's garage. How are you, Grandma? That was a bit dangerous. No, the mechanical is Oh, yes, please. We'd love some apple pie. Yes, 10 bites would be plenty. Thanks, Grandma. Huh? Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go. It's a wheel emergency. Tilly! Rusty wrenches. Bobby's wobbling all over the place. Tilly's winch will help halt Bobby. Phew, that was close. Huh? Bobby's wonky wheels are all wrong. Steering screwdrivers. That's not supposed to be there. Never mind, mechanicals. Everyone makes mistakes. Sorry, Bobby. The right wheels rolled away when we weren't looking. Let's get you back on the road. What tools do I need? Drill? Jack! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! We'll start with the wheels at the rear. The motor sends the power back here. I'll tighten these nuts so we can be sure Bobby's wheels won't wobble anymore. Now your wheels all roll the same. It's time to hit the road again. Ah, thanks, Bobby. We'd love to come for a ride. Well done, mechanicals. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you help to fix them. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're making a special pie for Grandma to thank her for all she does for us. The Gecko family's secret recipe. First, we make the pastry.
Hello, dears. Grandma's here.
Spinning screwdrivers. Grandma's here early. I'll distract her while you finish making the pie. Grandma! We weren't expecting you so soon.
I couldn't wait to see you all.
Perfect timing. I really need your help with, Tilly.
Of course, Gecky. But where are my mini metal ones? I must say hello.
No time! Tilly is very, sick.
Oh, Tilly. Let me look at you, dear. Tilly's engine is running smoothly and her oil tank is full.
Maybe check her exhaust. Great job, Mex. Now quickly, tidy up before Grandma sees.
Well, Tilly seems absolutely fine, Gecky. But are you okay?
Oh no! The power in the garage is down and the oven can't finish cooking the pie!
What pie?
Oh, we wanted to make a special surprise pie to say thank you for all you do for us.
Oh, my darlings, how lovely. Don't worry. Every problem has a solution. We just need some ideas.
I know! We'll use the dynamo to generate electricity and power the oven!
Yes! Bright spark, my Gecky.
What tools do we need? Screwdriver! Jack! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! As Miles's wheel rotates, it will turn this dynamo, which creates electricity as it spins.
Yee-haw! Now we're cooking. I can't wait to try some delicious pie. Well done, little ones. I can see you've used the most important ingredient of all, love.
Our grandma is special, and that is why our gesture of love is baking a pie. Goodbye, everyone.
What's in this pie?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're helping Kat deliver her compost to Trevor's farm. Release the compost now, Kat.
Sale vale, Gecko.
Great question, Blue. What is compost? Well, composting is like recycling. Our food waste is used to help make more food.
Exactamente, Gecko. Over time, my food waste has turned into precious compost, thanks to lots of tiny creatures.
Then Trevor spreads the compost on the soil to help his vegetables grow big and strong.
Hola, Trevor.
Now let's attach Trevor's compost spreader. Look out! Oh, that cabbage pushed the lever into overdrive and it's causing compost chaos! I need to find something to hit the lever and turn off the spreader. I can use this. Oh, spinning screwdrivers. It's broken.
No! Trevor's vegetables won't grow big and strong without compost. You can fix the spreader, right, Gecko?
We can fix anything if we work together.
Right, Mechanicals?
What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Wrench?
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
Secure this cog back in its place so the spreader works at a safer pace. For the cogs to spin around again, let's reattach this broken chain. Now a squirt of oil will be just the thing to help this spreader get composting. Ha ha! Great job! Ah, thanks everyone.
Que padre! I have an idea to thank Trevor for all his hard work.
Yummy! Trevor's fresh vegetables make the tastiest chili ever.
And best of all, we'll put any food waste into my bin, ready to make compost for Trevor next year. Composting cuties.
Goodbye, everyone.